Hello students, in the previous video, we learned tests of divisibility and solve few sums of practice time 4. Today, we are going to solve the remaining sums of practice time 4. So, let's solve it. Is 83,490 divisible by 6? Students, we know that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, let us check this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Since the digit at the ones place of 83,490 is 0. So, 83,490 is divisible by 2. Now, let's check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Students, we came to know that in order to check whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not, we have to find the sum of its digit. So, let's find out the sum of the digits by adding all the digits like 8, 3, 4, 9 and 0. Thus, adding 8, 3, 4, 9 and 0, we get 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Or 24 is multiple of 3. So, 83,490 is divisible by 3. As 83,490 is divisible by both 2 and 3, so 83,490 is also divisible by 6. Is 9,73,424 divisible by 8? Students, we know that a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are either 3 zeros or the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So, let's divide the last 3 digits, that is 424 by 8. If we get remainder 0, then the number is divisible by 8. Otherwise, not. Thus, dividing 424 by 8, we get quotient 53 and remainder 0. Thus, 424 is divisible by 8. Thus, the number formed by last 3 digits, that is 424, is divisible by 8. Thus, 9,73,424 is divisible by 8. Now, sum number 7 is 70,965 divisible by 9. Students, we know that in order to check whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not, we have to find the sum of its digit. So, let us find out the sum of the digits by adding all the digits like 7, 0, 9, 6, 5. Thus, adding 7, 0, 9, 6, 5, we get 27. Thus, 70,965 is divisible by 9. Is 8,50,000 57,630 divisible by 10. Students, we know that a number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place is 0. Since the digit at the ones place of 8,57,630 is 0. So 8,57,630 is divisible by 10. Now sum number 9 is 93,700 divisible by 4. Students, we know that a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are either 0 or the number formed by them is divisible by 4. Since the last two digits of 93,700 are zeros, so 93,700 is divisible by 4. Is 7,986 divisible by 11? Students, we know that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at all the places and the sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. So, let's solve this sum by following all the three steps. Sum of the digits at all the places equals to 7 plus 8 equals to 15. Sum of the digits at even place equals to 9 plus 6 equals to 15. Difference equals to 15 minus 15 equals to 0. So, 7,986 is divisible by 11. Students, solve practice work. Question number 1. And question number 2 by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.